Hey all, Takes Cake Tech here. First, I just wanted to start this video by saying thanks to everyone who's been liking, watching, or giving me any feedback. I've gotten a lot of feedback on Facebook so far, and I plan on reaching out on Reddit and other places as well to get more content ideas. So this video is going to just be a quick one-off video. We're going to go over how to change the startup items in Windows 10 because everyone knows when you got Skype popping up every time when you log in, it slows your computer down. So this is one easy way to speed up your computer login process. So first, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to get into the task manager. One is if you right click on the bottom of your screen right here, you can see task manager. So I'll click on task manager. I'll drag it over. Here's task manager this way. You can also right click on the start button here. Task manager's there as well. And then the third way is with a keyboard shortcut. It's Control, Shift, Escape. And that also brings it up. That's the way I do it. Then when we look at this menu here, you can see there's quite a few tabs up at the top. My CPU is getting destroyed right now because Malwarebytes is running, which is okay. In Windows 10, this is where all the startup items are. So you'll go to Startup. Like I was talking about earlier, Skype is enabled on Startup. We don't want that, so we would just right-click Disable. Origin, don't really need that. That's gaming software. Don't need Cisco AnyConnect. Citrix, as you can see, is already disabled, but let's say we wanted to re-enable it. We would just click Enable. We'll also disable. Another really cool feature here is you can see what is going on. You can open the file location, and that just opens up the File Explorer location of what executable is opening up. So I hope this video helps. It's just a quick tutorial here. Thanks if you liked this video or didn't. Like, subscribe, thumbs down if you feel like it, or give me any positive criticism or negative. Thanks. Have a good day.